Still working on generating the internals of the hallways. Let's look at the code. So first of all, in the legal section, we have some monkey wrench macros. And in the file 196 top level constants, this is C for constant, not D for data. So that was a bug. We fixed it. In the top level data for file 196, we have this new section here. And these are the wrong names. They're monkey wrench macros. Clone direction. So edge enumeration converted to a direction vector. And the direction vector is pointing off of the surface normal of the Nicolas Cage. So MEN stands for micro level external surface normal. Okay, clone magnitude. We need to extend off of the surface normal in a certain direction, depending on which clone stamp we're doing. So CS4 is the clone stamping index, 0, 1, 2, or 3 inclusive, because we do 4 clone stamps. We're going to convert that to the magnitude. So the thickness of our doorway multiplied by the clone stamping index, and we're going to add a, we're going to start at 0 minus 1 for reasons. You can look at this tag for why, but the reason is there's a 1 pixel thick buffer region on this right here, right? There's a 1 pixel thick gray area that separates the doorway rectangle from the micro level data. So that's why there's this 0 minus 1 right here. Okay, let's go down a little bit further. So right here we made a mistake, right? This needs to be D for data. Sorry, this needs to be C for constant, not D for data. So it was a bug in the previous videos, and now we fixed it here. And this is our doorway pixel buffer. Okay, let's go down. So file 196, in our loader function, we have a section clone stamping variables. So here's our clone stamping index, here's our direction vector, and then here's the magnitude of our direction vector. Let's go down here. Clone stamp. We're going to loop through every single clone stamping index. We're going to get the direction vector, and we're going to get the magnitude, and then in the next video, we'll do our actual clone stamping. So down here is what we did previously. We got all of our footnotes and a whole bunch of diagrams. We do not have time to review the diagrams. Here's what we did in this video. Like and subscribe. If you want a longer explanation, go here to Ninja Coder. You are on the fast playlist on Kanji Coder. The source code is here if you want to look at those diagrams, and ways to get a hold of me are here. So like and subscribe. Send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a video game from complete scratch, and I'm even making the rendering engine. So like and subscribe if you want to see how a crazy motherfucker makes a game engine.